Hi friends, good morning. Today let us see the problems on binomial distribution and also Poisson distribution if time permits. Before going to these two distributions, let us see two more problems in random variables and probability distribution. Okay friends, see random variables problem. X is equal to xi and p of x is equal to xi. These two things will be given to you friends. Right friends? These two things will be given in a tabular form. That is, here xi values are -2, -1, 0, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and the respective probabilities friends, 0.1 C, 0.2, 0.1 C, 0.2, and 2C, 0.3 C, 2C, 0.3 C, 2C, 0.3 C. This is the table friends. This is the table which is given. And here the question is friends, find the value of C and also variance. Find the value of C and also the variance. We know the principle for variance. We know the principle for mean. The principle for mean friends, sigma pi into xi. The principle for mean is sigma pi into xi. And the principle for variance, sigma pi into xi square minus mu square, where mu is mean. Here the question is find the value of C, and also find the variance. Let us find the value of C first. Friends, we know sum of these probabilities is always equal to 1. So C plus 2C plus C, 4C plus 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.6 is equal to 1. 4C is equal to 1 minus 0.6, 0.4. C is equal to 0.1. C is equal to 0.1 is the first answer friends. C is equal to 0.1 is the first answer friends. So C is equal to 0.1. The next question in this question is variance. Variance formula you know friends. Sigma square is equal to sigma p xi into xi square minus x bar square. Sigma square is equal to sigma p xi into xi square minus x bar square. This is the variance. Now let us substitute the values of C in this tabular form. C 0.1, 2C, 2 into 0.1, 0.2, C 0.1. Now the table has come. Xi values and with respect to probabilities, we have the table. Now friends, sigma square we want. For that the formula is sigma pxi into xi square. So xi square, let us write p xi into xi square. Before that friends, let us find x bar also. Before that, we find x bar. X bar means sigma pi into xi. X bar is equal to pi into xi. First, let us write pi into xi. Minus 2 into 0.1. Minus 2. This is minus 0.2 friends. Minus 0.2. Minus 0.1. This is 0. This is 0.2. This is 0.6. This is 0.3. So, pi into xi. Sigma pi into xi, sum of all these things, minus 2, minus 1, plus 3. So, now the result is 0.8. Sigma pi into xi is equal to 0.8. That is x bar is equal to 0.8. Now, x bar square is equal to 0.64. One thing is over friends. One thing is over. X bar square whole square is find out. And the next thing, what do we need to find? Pxi into xi square. Pxi into xi square. Pxi into xi square friends. Friends, I am writing here. Please look at this. P xi into xi square. P xi into xi square. 0.1 into 4. 0.4 plus P xi into xi square. 0.1 into 1. 0.1 plus this is 0 anyway plus Pxi into xi square, 0.2 into 1 square 1, 0.2 plus 0.3 into 2 square 4, 0.3 into 4, 1.2 plus 0.1 into 9, 0.9. This is sigma xi into xi square friends. Let us add all these things. This is 40. This is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 9. 16. That is 1.6. 1.6 plus 1.2. 2.8. 2.8. Pxi into xi square is equal to 2.8. Now we want sigma square, that is equal to 2.8 minus x bar square. X bar square is equal to 0.64. So 2.80 minus 0.64, that is equal to 2.16 friends. So sigma square is equal to 2.16. Very clear friends. First thing is this formula. Sigma square is equal to sigma pxi into xi square minus x bar square. First you have to find x bar square. That is very clear. X bar is equal to sigma pi into xi. So after finding this, find pxi into xi square. Pxi into x square. By doing this, sigma pxi into x square is equal to 2.8. So by doing this, we get sigma square. So sigma square is equal to 2.16 friends. Sigma square is equal to 2.16. That is your answer friends. Okay friends, let us go to next problem. So actually, in fact, this is enough I think. Here three things you know, friends. Finding the variable if any here, that is sum of all those probabilities is equal to 1. By making sum of all these probabilities to equal to 1, we can find the variable if any, that is one thing. Second mean is equal to sigma pi into xi. This into this, 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 this into this. Sum of all those things will give you x bar, that is mean, and variance formula just now I have told. So according only these three problems, most likely these three problems are asked on this probability distribution of random variables, friends. Okay friends. So let us see one more example of the question asked in 2019 ANSET, friends. This question I have to tell you. See, the probability function of a random variable x is given by p of x is equal to k is a into k plus 1 by 2 power k. X is equal to xi k. P of x is equal to k is P of x is equal to k is defined as a into k plus 1 by 2 power k. Here direct probabilities are not given, friends. Probability is defined by a function. Probability is defined by a function saying that P of x is equal to k is a into k plus 1 by 2 power k, where k takes the values 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the question is, friends, what is the probability that x takes a prime value? So we have to find the probability of prime value. What are the prime values here? 2, 3, 5. So we need to find P of x is equal to 2, P of x is equal to 3, P of x is equal to 5. So P of x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 3 and plus P of x is equal to 5 becomes our answer, friends. Right, friends? So the question is what is the probability that x takes a prime value? Here the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. So we have to add the probabilities of P of x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 3 plus P of x is equal to 5. Right, friends? Okay, friends. So now let us write the probabilities. So here first let us take k is equal to 0. If k is equal to 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 power 0, 1, a. And the next for k is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2a by 2 power 1, 2. See friends, for 0 plus 1, 1, a into 1 a by 2 power 0, 1, 1, so a. And if k is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 2, a into 2 by 2 power 1 is 2. So 2 gets cancelled, the second value is also a. If k is equal to 2, 2 plus 1, 3, a into 3 by 2 power 3, sorry, 2 square, that is 4, k is equal to 2. And again if k is equal to 3, a into 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 2 cube, that is 8, a into 5, a into 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 power 4, 16. And if k is equal to 5, 5 plus 1 6, a into 6, a into 6 by 2 power 5, 2 power 5. Friends, now we can find the value of a. Now we can find the value of a. So how sum of these probabilities is equal to, friends, 1. Sum of these probabilities is equal to 1. So a plus a plus 3a by 4 plus 4a by 8 plus 5a by 16 plus 6a by 32 is equal to 1. 6a, friends, 6a, 5a, 4a, 3a is equal to 1. Now the LCM is 32, 32a plus 32a plus 4 8s, 8 3s, 24a, 8 4s, 4 4s, 16a plus 16 2s, 2 5s, 10a plus 32 1s, 1 6s, 6a is equal to 1. So 32 plus 32, 64, 64 plus 40, 104, 104 plus 14, 120a. 120a is equal to 32. A is equal to 32 by 120. A is equal to 32 by 120. 8 4s, 8 15s. A is equal to 4 by 15, friends. A is equal to 4 by 15. So let us keep this value for finding our exact what is the problem asked? What is the problem asked? What is the problem that A takes a prime value? A takes a prime value. Okay, friends. So A is 4 by 15. That is very clear now. That is very clear now. So sum of these probabilities is equal to 1, and after doing this, we got A is equal to 4 by 15. So shall I erase this? Shall I erase this? A is equal to 4 by 15, friends. A is equal to 4 by 15. A is equal to 4 by 15, friends. And next, friends, what is the thing we require? We want the probability that x takes a prime value. X takes a prime value means we want p of x is equal to 2 plus p of x is equal to 3 plus p of x is equal to 5, friends. P of x is equal to 2, 3a by 4 plus p of x is equal to 3, 4a by 8, p of x is equal to 5, 6a by 32, 6a by 32. So this is the probability we want. LCM 32, 4 8s, 8 3s, 24 plus 8 4s, 4 4s, 16a plus 32 1s, 1 6s, 6a. This is equal to 24 plus 16, 40 plus 46a by 32. 46a by 32, friends. Are you doing correct now? P of x is equal to 2, 3a by 4 plus p of x is equal to 3, 4a by 8 plus p of x is equal to 5, 6a by 32, LCM 32, 4 8, 8 3, 24, 8 4, 4 4, 16, 32 1s, 1 6s, 24 plus 16, 40, 46a by 32, 46a by 32. This is the required probability. This is the required probability. And we know the value of A, friends. What is the value of A? What is the value of A? 4 by 15. So 4 1s, 4 8s, 2 4s, 2 23s. So 23 by 60 is the required probability, friends. 23 by 60 is the required probability. So very clear, friends. See, if some formula is given, if some function is given, see here the function is a into k plus 1 by 2 power k. So we have to substitute these values. We have to substitute these values and get the respective probabilities. After getting respective probabilities, add those probabilities and make them equal to 1. By doing so, you get the value of a. That is 4 by 15. Fine. Next, what is the thing we require? We require that probability that x greater than or equal to x takes a prime value. Whatever the definition may be, we follow the definition. Here the definition is x takes a prime value. Prime value means it can be it must be p of x is equal to p of x is equal to 3, p of x is equal to 5. By adding all these three things, we get 23 by 60, friends. That's all, friends. Actually today time doesn't permit us. Tomorrow we shall see the binomial distribution. Tomorrow we shall start with the binomial distribution, and tomorrow we can complete both the distributions, binomial and Poisson distribution, friends. Okay, friends, have a nice day. Please watch the videos regularly. And if you have any doubts and any suggestions, as I told you earlier, please post your suggestions and these things in your comment box so that we can rectify and we can clear your doubts in the upcoming video sessions. Okay, friends, have a nice day.